Very good morning, KG class. In your English pre-primer book, we will read Sound of I, chapter number 5. In our previous video, we have learned about the vowel sound A and E. In that session, we are continuously reading about the vowel sound A, E, I, O, U. A and V, E, we have already studied, and today we will start sound of I. Okay, how to pronounce the sound of I? Let's see. H, it, h, it, hit, h, ill, hill, b, in, bin, k, it, kit, f, ish, fish, f, ig, fig, t, in, tin, k, it, kid. What are we looking? That we are using phonic sound. As I have told you, continuously you have to go through with the phonic sound, not the alphabet sound. Alphabet is H and sound is H. Then you have to go through with the reading H. Let's read some more word. I, P, ip. I, P, ip. I, N, in. I, T, it. I, D, id. Okay. These are the two sound words, and with the help of these two sound words, we will read three sound word. Z, ip, zip, a, zip, z, ip, zip, a, zip, p, in, pin, a, pin, p, it, pit, a, pit, id, l, id, lid, a, lid. Okay, with the help of the picture you can understand what is the lid. This is the lid, this is the pit, this is the zip, and this is the pin. Let's have a read. It, I, T, it, fit, sorry, f, it, fit, b, it, bit, p, it, pit, l, it, lit, k, it, kit. I-N sound, in. I-N, in. Words ending with in, words ending with it. T, in, tin. B, in, bin. F, in, fin. V, in, win. S, in, sin. IG sound means words that ending with IG. Ig. F, ig, fig. B, ig, fig. D, ig, dig. P, ig, pig. V, ig, wig. ID sound means id. K, id, kid. H, id, hid. D, id, did. B, id, bid. M, id, mid. IP sound, ip. Words ending with IP sound, ip sound. L, ip, lip. S, ip, sip. Z, ip, zip. H, ip, hip. P, ip, pip. Okay students, now you do practice to read this lesson, sound of I and other words. Wherever you can see I sound words, you should do practice to read that. Read aloud this chapter. In, I-N, in. A, p, in, pin. A, pin. A girl has a pin. I, b, ib. A, b, ib, bib, a bib. A kid has a bib. It, a, p, it, pit, a pit. A, f, ig, fig. In, a, p, it, pit. A pit, a fig in a pit. This is a picture of fig and this is a pit. In, a tin, a nib on a tin. Okay, then the main concept is t, in, tin. N, ib, nib. You need to do practice of reading the words. These are the worksheet given in your book. I will explain with one example, and then you have to complete all these exercises in the book and some other which I will give you to do in the notebook. Let's see the picture. Which is the picture is this? Bin. Then you have to read b, in, bin, tin, lid. Okay, now tell me whose picture is this? किसकी picture है? This is the picture of bin. Dust bin. Then we will match the picture with the word bin. What the girl is doing? The girl is sipping the water. Then sip. Sip. The word sip is correct for the picture. Then we will match the word sip with the picture of sip. Dip. This is the what the hand is doing here, dipping the biscuit in the cup. Then dip. This is the picture of bib. Then we will match it with the bib. What the boy is doing? Boy is digging. Dig. Then we will match this with the dig. And what? Hit. Hit. Okay. Now circle the word that rhyme with sip. Then you have to see the ip. 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 Ip word. It. It. In. Dip. Ip. Then ip and ip. Ending sound must be same. That will be the rhyming. Then sip will match with dip. Then you will make the circle of the dip. Fix. Ix. X. So where fit 16. Which is the same sound? Ix. Ix. Last two words ending with same sound will be the same rhyming word. This is the 6, and we will make circle of 6. Read this aloud and do it yourself. Okay, this is the sound of E. Complete these both in your book. Do practice of continuously reading the sound of I, and further I will send you some PDF and exercises in your skill book 5. I will send you the pages. First of all, read it.